Welcome to Tech Flyer. Today we'll show you how to pin a message or a chat in WhatsApp so you can keep important information easily accessible right at the top of your chat list. If you receive lots of messages every day and want to make sure you don't lose track of something important, this simple trick is perfect for you. First, open WhatsApp and scroll through your chats to find the conversation or group you want to pin. Once you find it, press and hold on the chat for a second or two. At the top of the screen, you'll see a pin symbol appear. Simply tap on the pin icon, and that's it. Your selected chat or group will now stay pinned at the very top of your chat list, no matter how many new messages you receive from others. You can pin up to 3 chats at once, so choose the ones most important to you. If you ever want to unpin it, just press and hold the pinned chat again and tap on the unpin icon. It's a simple way to stay organized, save time, and make sure your top priorities are always in front of you. Stay organized and stay smart with Tech Flyer. Please like this video, subscribe to Tech Flyer, and press the bell icon for new videos. Thanks for watching.